Time is slipping away. Every moment you hesitate, your dreams fade further into the distance. Ask yourself, if not now, when? The clock is ticking, relentlessly pushing forward. Your life is happening right now, whether you're ready or not. Are you going to watch it pass by or seize it with both hands? This is your wake-up call. The alarm is blaring, demanding your attention. Will you hit snooze again, or will you rise to meet your destiny? That choice is yours to make, right here, right now. You create it through your actions, your determination, your unwavering commitment to your goals. Success isn't handed out on a silver platter. It begins with one bold, decisive choice. Your future isn't some far-off concept. It's being shaped by the actions you take today, not the plans you make for tomorrow. Every decision, every move, every step forward or backward, it all counts. It paralyzes you, keeping you stuck in a cycle of what-ifs and maybes. But failure? Failure is a teacher, a stepping stone to greatness. Once you start moving, it becomes easier to keep going. Don't fall into the trap of waiting for the perfect moment. That moment doesn't exist, especially when you don't feel like it. That's when it matters most. Are you really content to live it on pause, always waiting for the right moment, the right circumstances? But you know what's more painful? The sting of regret, the haunting what-ifs that follow a life of inaction? Fear will always lurk in the shadows, whispering doubts and uncertainties. But courage? Courage moves anyway. That person is waiting for you, cheering you on, massive action. Get up right now. Start small if you have to, but start. Every day you add another line to your story. Make it powerful, make it inspiring. Make it worth reading. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. Next year is not promised. All you have is now. Is it bold and vibrant or faded and indistinct? You don't need anyone's approval but your own. You are the author of your story, the captain of your ship. But they remain just dreams until you take action to make them real. Take that first step, no matter how tiny it might seem. A decision to move forward, to challenge the status quo, to believe in the impossible. You have that same power within you. You are more capable than you know. Embrace the journey with all its ups and downs. Progress, no matter how imperfect, beats standing still every single time. Embrace the messy, chaotic journey of growth. Growth happens when you push your boundaries, when you dare to be uncomfortable. Become the unstoppable force you were always meant to be. All you can do is use it wisely, invest it in pursuits that truly matter to you. It pushes through the darkness, illuminating the path forward. Are you using it wisely or letting it slip through your fingers? Your voice, your ideas, your passion, they all matter, but they can only make a difference if you choose to share them. You might be surprised at what you're capable of. Are you willing to do the same? If you want something, you have to go out and earn it. No one is coming to save you or hand you your dreams on a silver platter. You have the power to rewrite your story starting right now. But the view from the top makes every struggle worthwhile. The more you do, the more inspired you'll become. Action breeds motivation, not the other way around. If you don't like what you see, make different choices. The choice is yours. Will you rise to the challenge or remain in the shadows of what could have been? The clock is ticking. What will you do? They deserve your full commitment, your unwavering focus, your relentless pursuit. It's that simple and that challenging. Cultivate it like your life depends on it, because it does. Doubt is a dream killer, more lethal than any failure could ever be. Not what you plan to do, not what you hope to do, what you actually do day in and day out. Every small victory, every lesson learned is a step forward. You have one precious life, one shot at leaving your mark on this world. Which category do you fall into? It's time to take action. Or will you be drowning in regret, wondering why you never started? Action is the catalyst for change. It creates momentum, and momentum is the fuel that propels you towards success. Don't get caught up in the pursuit of perfection. And fall, and to get back up again, stronger than before. Discipline is the backbone of achievement. It's what gets you out of bed when motivation fails, what keeps you going when the initial excitement wears off. Show up, day after day, even when you don't feel like it. Growth isn't always comfortable. It can be painful, challenging, pushing you to your limits. Close your eyes for a moment. Visualize your future self. Stronger, smarter, more successful than you ever imagined. Every action you take, every decision you make is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. What masterpiece are you creating? You're not just living your life, you're writing your legacy. Don't wait for life to give you permission to chase your dreams. It's now or never. This moment, right here, is all you have. Make the move. Take that leap of faith. Start the change you've been dreaming about. Your potential is limitless, but time is not. Every second that ticks by is one you can never get back. The world doesn't reward those who wait. It rewards those who act, who dare, who push beyond their comfort zones. Imagine yourself a year from now. Will you be celebrating the risks you took, the challenges you overcame? Success isn't about having all the answers. It's about having the courage to seek them out. To stumble. Your dreams are not just idle fantasies. They are glimpses of what you could become, of the impact you could make. Every great achievement in history started with a single step. Fear will always try to hold you back. It will whisper that you're not good enough, not ready enough, not brave enough. But fear is a liar. The only true failure is the failure to try. Everything else is just a lesson, a stepping stone on your path to greatness. Your comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. It's what turns dreams into reality, wishes into achievements. Success is not a destination. It's a journey, a continuous process of becoming better than you were yesterday. The world is waiting for your unique contribution. Time is your most precious resource. You can't buy more of it, you can't save it for later. Your future self is watching you right now, hoping you'll make the right choice. Will you disappoint them or make them proud? The path to success is not always clear or easy. It's often winding, filled with obstacles and setbacks. Don't let your past define your future. Your history is not your destiny. The difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do. Your potential is like a muscle. The more you push it, the stronger it becomes. Don't be afraid to test your limits. Success leaves clues. Look at those who have achieved what you want to achieve. What habits do they have? What sacrifices did they make? The world doesn't owe you anything. Your life is a reflection of your choices. Don't wait for inspiration to strike. Create it through action. Your dreams are too important to be left to chance. This is your moment, your time to shine, your opportunity to prove to yourself and the world what you're made of. Don't let it slip away. It's now or never.